Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel, GoGrowGlowbern. My name is Glowbern and hello, I hope you're having a good day. In this channel, I do travel vlogs around Australia, challenge and unboxing vlogs, and today is gonna be a video about 10 more Australian foods that you can try. The previous video that I did about this topic was called 8 Aussie foods that you can try. I'll link it up over there and you can go check it for yourself. I've had a lot of comments on that video telling me that there are more Australian foods that I could try, and I got so excited I started listing them down, and here we are. If you enjoy watching these kinds of videos, please subscribe and let's get on to the video. One disclaimer before I start trying all these Australian foods is that I am a Filipino. I come from the Philippines. I have no experience whatsoever of any other food in any other culture than mine, because Australia is the first country that I have visited. So some of these food may have some English influences in them, or you know, from the UK or from England, but I wouldn't know that. I have discovered them in Australia, and talking to most of my friends and family, the food that we are going to be tasting today are Australian foods. So let's dive in. The first food that we are gonna try today is the sausage sizzle. Sausage sizzle is usually done in summer, or you can do it any time because Perth has a lot of sunny days. So you can do it any time of the year. It's usually done outdoors on a public barbecue, or if you have your own barbecue. It's called sausage sizzle because, you know, when you're cooking the sausage, it has like a sizzling sound, like, you know that sound. This is a staple for summer parties or parties in general. You will need sausages, bread, onion, and tomato sauce, barbecue sauce, or any sauce that you would like to have with your sausage sizzle. Alright, let's give it a try. If you have noticed, I didn't use a hot dog bun. For some reason, it was very hard to find them in the supermarket that I shop at, but you can use any kind of bread. In this instance, I use sliced bread. My thoughts about this food is it's really good, and it's such a fun family thing to do. It's so easy and fast to prepare, so if you want to have an authentic Australian party, like a house party or birthday party or anything, you can just have sausage sizzle. Really easy to prepare. Anyway, my thoughts are it's really good. I really like it. I usually have it with the barbecue sauce instead of tomato sauce because I like that more sweet kind of flavor. And the onions also give that sweetness. The sausage is salty, of course, and the onion just gives it a little bit of extra dimension. It's very good. It's definitely a must try. And the next food that we are gonna try today is called the cheese platter or the cheese board. You can buy packs of cheese in the supermarket. There's usually like a cheese platter pack ready with 4 kinds of cheese. You just have to buy the crackers that go with it. These are typically placed on a cheese board, you know, that wooden chopping board that you can see in like aesthetic photos, but I don't have one, so I'm just gonna use my plate. So today we have 4 cheeses to taste. So we have vintage cheddar, Dutch smoked cheese, Dutch Gouda, and peppercorn cheese. These platters are typically found in parties as well. It's just a staple in Australian parties, and they also go with wine. So let's start tasting them. Right, cheese number 1, vintage cheddar. So here it is. Again, that focuses or whatever. So you just put it on top of your cracker. Some parties that I've been to have olives, carrot sticks, celery sticks, even cream cheese with it. So it goes, anything goes, like with cheese, because cheese is awesome. Let's give this a taste. Oh, that was so good. If you love cheese, vintage cheddar, good. Next one we are tasting is the Dutch Gouda. Gouda. I don't know how to read it, to be honest. I'm not Dutch. Anyway, this is also one thing that I like to do, is to make my cheese into like a cracker sandwich. Here we go. That one was quite mild. I actually like it, but I like the cheddar more. Next one, let's try the peppercorn cheese. It's peppercorn cheese, or cheese with like pepper in there. Like if you can see the black bits, that's pepper. And here I am again with my cheese cracker sandwich. I have just read the box that this cheese board selection came in, and the peppercorn is actually a mix of the vintage cheddar and black peppercorn woven in through the cheese. And it's okay, I like it. I'm not really a big fan of pepper. I mean, I like it on my food, but not too much. As you know, I'm not really a spicy kind of person, except for Chipotle. Last cheese that we're gonna try for today is the Dutch smoked cheese. It's even got like a brown, I don't know what that is, but I think brown means smoky. Right, let's give this a try. That one's definitely my favorite. I love smoked cheese, any kind of smoked cheese. Maybe not blue cheese. I don't know. Can blue cheese be smoked? I don't know if they can be smoked, but I'm not really a blue cheese fan. But anyway, that was so good. My favorite definitely was the smoked one, and then followed by the cheddar, and then the peppercorn, and then the last one would be the Gouda, whatever, Dutch Gouda, because it was just too mild. Like I feel like it just didn't satisfy my cheesy craving. The next one that we are gonna try, I've tried this in the previous video. If you haven't watched it, go watch it. I didn't enjoy it. No. But I'm gonna try a Vegemite pizza. I saw this on a menu. This pizza is pizza based, and then it has Vegemite instead of tomato sauce, cheese, and ham. So I'm gonna give this a try. Well, actually, I'm trying to give Vegemite a second chance before I shut it out of my life forever. So I'm scared because I did not enjoy that. But here we go. That wasn't so bad. I'm so happy. Vegemite, I'm giving you a second chance. The cheese actually, I don't know, it toned down that really strong Vegemite flavor. So I'm happy I can have it with cheese. Cheese, you have saved the world. Now we are moving on to the realm of desserts, my favorite. The next food that we are gonna try is called a pavlova. When I first heard of this Australian food, I was confused. Doesn't pavlova sound Russian to you? Upon searching on Google why this dessert is called pavlova, apparently it was named after a ballerina named Anna Pavlova who had visited Australia and New Zealand in the 1920s. And apparently it has been contested between the two countries who made the original recipe. So pavlova is made from meringue, cream, and any kind of fruit you want to put on top. Today I'm putting strawberry on. You can put blueberries, passion fruit, mango, pineapple, coconut, whatever you desire. This dessert is typically enjoyed during Christmas after being refrigerated, because Christmas in Australia is in summer, so it's really hot. Pavlova melts, the cream melts, of course. So it's a cold and beautiful dessert to have on a hot day. So let's give it a try. Okay. I have, oh, the cream's even starting to melt now, and it's winter, so yeah. Anyway, let's give this a try. Oh. Oh my goodness, that was so good. I really love meringue, you know, with a crunchy outer bit, and then inside it's just soft and fluffy. What I love about that dessert is just that it's really light. I mean, the cream could be not good for you, but try the light whipped cream and then I'm sure you won't feel too guilty having it. Anyway, it's definitely a must try. Really, really tasty. Next Australian food that we are going to try today are the Anzac biscuits. You might wonder what Anzac means. It means Australia and New Zealand Army Corps. This Army Corps between Australia and New Zealand was formed during the World War I. And why would biscuits be named after that? Well, according to Google, and I think this was on Wikipedia as well, these biscuits were sent by wives and daughters to their husbands or fathers who are out serving in the Australian and New Zealand Army Corps during World War I. Because the ingredients that were used do not spoil easily and biscuits kept well during transport. I think since then, Anzac biscuits have been around. It's just a staple in Australia, so let's give it a try. So this is what it looks like. Again, see that? Oh, it looks so good. So this is made with oats, coconut, golden syrup, and apparently does not have eggs in it. This will keep for a long period of time, so let's give it a try. So crunchy, and I can taste coconut. If you like coconut, I'm sure you'll enjoy this. It's really, really good. The next food that we are gonna try today is lamington. Look at that, it's so pretty. Ooh, I'm dropping coconut everywhere. So lamington is made from sponge cake coated in chocolate and coconut shavings, so more coconut desserts. You can see this typically in supermarkets or cafes. Like, yeah, I don't even know the origin, but it looks good and I want to taste it. That's the inside. That one's really good and it's very light. I would say it would be something that is quite easy to make. You can make it your own, why not? Right, next one, we are going to the realm of lollies, or for you American people out there, candy. I found this in the supermarket. It's called the Violet Crumble, the long lolly. And then on the side it says, it's the way it shatters that matters. Nice, here we go. Wow. Actually reminds me of crunchy. It's like chocolate coated and like crunchy thing inside. Yeah, it's good to all you lolly lovers out there. That one's definitely one to try. Next lolly that we are trying is that, oh, that's upside down. Cherry Ripe. From the name itself, obviously has cherries in it. If I'm gonna be completely honest, I'm not the type of person who eats chocolate and fruit together. I just don't enjoy it as much as I do with chocolate and nuts. So here we go. That's the inside. So you can see it's like chocolate coated with like cherries or artificial cherries out there in the middle. And I can definitely taste coconut, so it's good, but not my favorite. And we have come to the last food that we are gonna try for today, and it's called fairy bread. So it's just normal bread or sandwich bread, white bread, whatever you prefer. Butter or margarine to make the hundreds and thousands stick. This is, I would say, a staple in kids' parties, because look at that. That is so cute. Like, yeah. Anyway, let's give this a try. I actually like that. That tastes good. So it's just bread and butter and sprinkles or hundreds and thousands. If you're using salted butter, it's like a contrast between the salt in the butter with the sprinkles, which are sweet. And to wash it all down, we will be having Australian afternoon tea, and this is in no way sponsored by the brand of the tea that I'm having. And it's perfect because I'm filming this on an afternoon and I'm having a cup of tea to wash all the food that I've tasted down. Perfect. Still hot. Let's give it a try. That certainly hits the spot. I'm not a tea connoisseur. I only drink English breakfast, to be honest. I would have no clue how to describe what I just tasted, but I can recommend for you to try it if you can find it where you are. Thank you so much for reaching the end of this video. 10 more Australian foods that you should try once you get the chance to visit Australia, or better yet, if you can find them in your own country, like in the imported other country section of your supermarket. Once again, thank you so much, and please subscribe for more travel vlogs around Australia, challenge videos, unboxing videos, and I shall see you next week. Bye! Boop.